Most people think airplane mode is only useful during flights, but what if I told you it could actually extend your battery life, speed up charging, and even fix your internet problems? That's right, this underrated feature might just become your new favorite trick. And stick around till the end. I'll share a hidden setting that makes airplane mode even more powerful. Let's break it down. The first major use of airplane mode is when your phone battery is running low and you have no charger in sight. Instead of panicking, just switch on airplane mode. It immediately disables your phone's wireless signals, like mobile networks, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and NFC. This stops the phone from constantly searching for connections, which helps you conserve that last bit of juice until you can plug in. Now let's say you do have a charger, but you want your phone to juice up faster. Here's the trick. Plug it in and turn on airplane mode. Since your phone isn't wasting power searching for signals, it focuses all energy on charging, making the process noticeably quicker, even if you don't have fast charging enabled. Trying to stay focused on work, school, or just need some peace and quiet to sleep? Airplane mode has your back. It blocks all incoming calls, notifications, and distractions, giving you the silence you need without turning off your phone entirely. Here's something most people don't know. Even after turning on airplane mode, you can still manually enable Wi-Fi. So if you need internet access but want to keep calls and other signals off, it's totally doable. Lastly, if you're struggling with slow or unstable internet, either on mobile data or Wi-Fi, toggle airplane mode on for 10 to 20 seconds. It'll reset your phone's wireless connections and often fixes network issues instantly. As you can see, airplane mode isn't just for airplanes, it's a powerful tool that solves real everyday problems. Bonus tip. Here's the bonus tip. If you're traveling internationally and want to avoid roaming charges, switch to airplane mode and then enable Wi-Fi only. You'll stay connected without risking a surprise phone bill. Did you learn something new about airplane mode today? Let me know in the comments how you plan to use it next. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a smart tech tip. Catch you in the next one.